So, hi student. In this particular video, we will going to discuss about the profit and loss statement. So this is my file where I have the movie data set, the movie ID, title, industry, and up to this much revenue, budget, and the budget INR. Now, in this total video, I have to derive the profit and loss statement. So first, I have this one revenue. So how you will get the revenue from here? So for that you have to use the formula. This is the quantity you have to find in this video. The revenue budget in Marble Studios. Okay. So look at the Marble Studio here. Let's move to the studio section. Studio section, you have this one Marble. You can choose which one is the Marble movie. Select uh, where is Marble. So in a studio, if you select Marvel movies, this is the Marvel, right? So first unselect all the options, then you select the Marvel. Where is the Marvel? Yeah. So you can see these are the Marvel movies. So we have to find all the things about this one. The Doctor Strange and the Dark World, Thor the Ragnarok, Thor Love and Thunder, Avengers Endgame, Avengers Infinity War, and the Captain America. And I have the revenue. These are the revenue in INR, Indian currency. Okay. So we have to get the profit and loss statement of that Marvel movie. So how we can do for that? Just remove this filter, clear filter from my studio. So this is my file. The first thing is revenue. What is the revenue? Revenue, the total collection that may movie like got from the all the box office or all the like world. So we have to write. So for that, just please equals to, so we have to use the, if we use the sum option, that will not going to work because we have other data also in studio, right? So for getting the profit and statement for the Marvel only, you have to use the sum if condition. The sum if sum if uh, what the range, what is the range here? The range is sum if I will have to select the studio. Okay, range, select the range. Okay, if the movie dot studio comma in bracket what Marvel movies. Studios. If if movie dot studio comma is the Marvel Studios, then what we have to find, we have to sum the range. The range is revenue from here. Just select this one up to this one. And now close the bracket, press enter. Look at here. You got the value, right? So this is the value you got. And for budget, just drag it. Uh, but in budget, what we have to do? We have to find the revenue, budget INR. Okay. The budget INR is this one. Now the total and the we have to like uh, total Hollywood revenue is how much? So you have to find the sum equals to sum if function here equals sum if the if industry 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 comma equals to Hollywood. Then you have to sum the range revenue, right? So go here and just close the bracket, enter. Now this is the data. The total revenue of the Hollywood is this much. Now profit is profit and loss. How you can say someone is getting the profit or loss? If the his revenue is much higher than its budget, that means he is in the profit. So same here. If the equals to revenue minus this one budget. So you can say this one is the profit. Now profit percentage, this is this quantity. Okay, the profit percentage you have to find. So to get the profit percentage, we have to divide the actual profit that we have, the profit percentage with the budget. So equals to this one divided by budget. Now if you press enter, you will get this much. Okay. So this is the profit percentage. And so market share, you have to like for that we will do the one thing. Uh, we can convert this thing into the percentage. So we can see this is the percentage. It's huge, very good in number. Now just for getting the market share, what you have to do? You have to divide the revenue of Marvel with the total Hollywood movie. Press enter. Now you got this much data. If you convert this thing into the percentage, look at the value. So this is the 49% market share. Okay, 49% market shares Marvel have as compared to all the Hollywood movies. Now, suppose I have this key matrix, I got this one. Now, sometime, in industry, what happen? You have the target also because they are competing with the target, and then they get to know that if they are actually doing the progress or not. Okay, so for that target, there is revenue. Suppose revenue and the other thing I have this much. Like this one is the actual revenue target. This one is budget target, and this one is the total revenue target. Okay, now we have to see actual revenue from this side. Okay, so the profit lost you have equals to profit revenue minus budget, and we can just remove this column. Backspace, delete, clear this content, this one. So, in actual industries, what happen? You have the target values. So the company that decide if they are doing the progress or not. So for that, I have some of the other key matrices or the column also. The first one is target, actual target, and the target percentage, target minus. This is the basically profit we are generating. So for revenue, I have the target equals to, okay, this much. And for this one, I have budget. Budget, I have this one. And for because I don't need this one, okay, I'm just deleting this. So what I can do, I just copy this formula. Control C, Control C. I'm just editing this one because it make the like error image. So this is the other things. The second I have uh, the profit and loss statement is uh, it's just this one 8,000. This one is 6. Okay. So this much data I have. So you are wondering how we get this dollar sign here. So this thing is pretty simple. You can also do by yourself also. Just go here and in currency you can, if you press in currency you will get this much. Okay, cool. Now the profit percentage. So what is the profit percentage? Look at here. Profit percentage is profit, right? You can see B5, this one, profit divided by budget. So the profit is this one. So just press equals to this divided by budget. Mm, okay. So for that, do the percentage 300%. Okay. And the market share, suppose I have 55, right? 55%. So this is the market share I have. Or you can, so tell me what is the actual minus target? So this is the actual quantity, right? And this is the target. So for that equals to actual minus target. Ah, this is the data. Same here. Okay, so this is the data I got. Okay. If you press the drag this one, you will get that value. And so the thing is that I got these quantities, and you can see here it is in percentage. Just do the percentage, just slightly modify it. It is in the percentage also, right? -6. So this is the data actually. And in the last section, you have actual, i- like here, don't confuse here. Just I'm doing the subtraction, this minus this one, this minus this one, this minus this one. Okay. And after that, you have to find the actual minus target percentage. How you will get the percentage? Tell me. So here in this particular area, equals to uh, the actual this one divided by this one, and convert this thing into the percentage. Okay. It's a tremendous amount of profit it is generating, and after that, if you drag it to the below part, you will get what? Okay, this is the data you got basically, and you can see from this statement that the the profit and the revenue is very much high, and the target, like the profit loss also increased, and you can see the market share is little bit down. So that is the concern. Otherwise, it is totally fine. Now, what I can do, I can put the conditional formatting equals to be equal to, not equal to, less than, right? Just go to the conditional formatting if less than less than equals to minus 10 percent, give this one. So you can say if the this one is highlighted, if the revenue is less than 10%, it will give you the error. Otherwise, it is completely fine. So I think that's much for this video. This is the profit and loss statement of Marvel movies. And in the next video, we will discuss more about it. Okay. So thank you.